Model, 2015 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 313 2.2 CDI fridge van long MOT excellent runner no VAT. Body, white, Luton, box. Mileage, 167269. MOT, the 7th of May 2025. Engine, 2143 CCOM 651 129 HPA. Transmission, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, automatic transmission is perfect. Pulls in every gear. Starts and drives brilliantly, very well maintained Sprinter, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 2 former keepers, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.